Everybody, RV living with the geezer. We're up here outside of Ingram for a little while longer. Old Blanca, she goes and sits by the door when she wants out. So there she's doing her thing. I'm sure you all are thrilled to watch that. But yeah, we got, let's see if I can get down these steps without busting my butt. Yeah. We got about 5 inches, I guess, and it got down to about 4 or 5 degrees last night. It's up to a high of like 22 right now, and it's cold for the hill country here. This is Blanca sort of likes the snow, I think. She's getting around way better than the geezer. But the sun's out, so we're supposed to get another shower of this on Wednesday, and there's a little crisp breeze blowing right now that really bites into you. So anyway, I'm sure a lot of you all seen a lot more snow than this, but down here in central Texas, you know, it's a little unusual for this type of weather for this long. I mean, we've had it since last Thursday, and so it'll be about a week's worth by the time it's over, which is, I've lived here all my life practically, and lived up in Colorado for a little bit, couple years, and but she's eating snow now. So what you got there? You got a snow cone? You got a snow cone, huh? How about that? Alrighty, guys. We'll be talking at you later. Have a good one. There's a whole part of the country here pretty cold this February. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.